Hey, so in this video, we are going to look at how you can generate API key for your ActiveCalculator account. So this API key can be used in your webhooks and Zapier integrations, and there will be a lot more integrations in future that this API keys will be helpful for. So let's just head over to our settings, and from settings you'll notice under workspace you'll have the API keys. So I already have created a couple of API keys, so let me just add a new one. So let's say if we want to use this API key for Zapier, so I'll this label it just for me to remember that why I did generate the API key in the first place. So for security reasons, this API key will only be showed once, and then it will you can just copy it on your end, and then it will never show it. We will never show it again for security reasons. So this is our generated API key. I can then copy this API key and store it somewhere in like a key vault or somewhere, and then I can then use this API key in our Zapier integrations or anywhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next.